respiratory system is one of the most crucial systems in our whole entire body. Without it, we wouldn't be able to perform functions such as breathing. But there are many diseases that can damage our lungs. In this video, I will discuss some of the many dangers to our respiratory system. Bronchitis is when the mucous membrane in the lungs' bronchial passages becomes inflamed. When the membrane swells and it grows thicker, it narrows the airways in the lung. This can lead to coughing spells, breathlessness, and phlegm. Laryngitis is an inflammation of the larynx, or voice box. When this occurs, it can make your voice raspy, or make you completely lose it. Laryngitis is usually short-term, and can be caused by many things. These things can include colds, irritation, and many others. Lung cancer is, as the name suggests, a type of cancer that is in your lungs. There are usually no symptoms in the early stages of lung cancer, but as it develops, you begin experiencing painful coughing, loss of weight, and are often breathless. One of the causes of lung cancer can be irritation to the lungs. This can be caused by events such as smoking. Pneumonia is a lung infection you can get from bacteria that can be deadly if it isn't treated properly. When you have pneumonia, some of the symptoms you may display could be coughing, a fever, or you may even have a hard time breathing. Asthma is when bronchial tubes become inflamed because of the increased production of sticky secretions inside the tubes. When victims of asthma get an attack, their airways tighten, inflame, or fill with mucus. They might need an inhaler to breathe after this. One thing that can cause these attacks is dust and its contents. When they enter the system of someone who has asthma, it can cause an attack. Emphysema is a chronic form of lung disease. When you have emphysema, you have difficulty breathing because you can only inhale and exhale a certain amount of air at a time. In emphysema, air pockets form in the lungs and air becomes trapped in these pockets. This enlarges the lungs and it makes it harder for the person to breathe.